Welcome to EdTech Hustle. My name is Rich, and today we're going to be learning about one of the brand new AI tools in Canva. This one is called Magic Grab. Let's get started. So the other day I'm working on a thumbnail for a YouTube channel. I clicked on my photo, went to edit it, and look, there are 3 different AI tools in Canva. I'm going to be showing you all of them over the next few days, but I want to start with this one, and that is called Magic Grab. So what Magic Grab will do is it's going to grab the main subject in my photo while preserving the background where this void was. Let me show you how this works. So I'm going to select on our photo, I'm going to choose edit, and I will select Magic Grab. From here, look, Magic Grab was already able to identify the person, and look at that. I can move him off of the photo and kind of move him just to the side like that. You'll notice where he previously was over here, Canva did try to kind of fill in that spot with a background. It's kind of like the magic erase tool where it's going to try to blend the background in the space of the subject that you remove. Okay, so now that I have my subject removed, I could maybe move him over to the right like this, maybe extend the background kind of like that. I have my subject right over here, and if I wanted to, I could maybe put an image or put some text to the left where I previously couldn't because I had the teacher, the subject, in the middle. Another thing that I might want to do, which I think will look cool, is if this is a presentation or if this is a video, sometimes you'll see an effect where the subject kind of grows, almost like the breathe feature inside of Canva, the breathe feature that you can use to animate something. So I can take this character, let me use that breathe feature, kind of maybe move him down a little bit. Okay. Scale that big. There we go. So now you can kind of create an effect like that where the subject gets bigger in front of the background. This is something that would have been a little more challenging to do if we did not have this brand new Magic Grab feature. So let me show you another way that you can use Magic Grab. So I've got this next slide that has this vehicle, this Mercedes, in the middle, but the car is a little bit too big. I want to make the car just a little bit smaller. So let me try that again. I'm going to select my photo, and I am going to choose Magic Grab. There you see that Canva was able to grab the main image, and take a look at this. I can shrink that all the way down, kind of like this. I can move the car over here, and now what I can do is go over to my elements. I can take this other car, kind of maybe put it sort of like this. It doesn't quite look the way that I want it to, but hopefully this will give you the idea of what you can do with Magic Grab. And again, it's one of those things where if you didn't know that I used Magic Grab to take this image and to move it around, you may not even know that this photo has been doctored. Again, this card doesn't quite make it look as realistic as I would want it, but hopefully this at least gives you an idea of what you can do with Magic Grab. So again, let's go ahead and take a look what you can do with Magic Grab. If I select Edit Photo and I choose Magic Grab, I can easily move the main subject in the photo down, move them around, make them bigger, make them smaller, however I want. Here it is again. These are my 2 photos. I'm going to take this one to the right. I'm going to use Magic Grab, and I can just take that car, make it smaller, or even completely remove it out of the photo on my own if I would like. So again, that is called Canva's Magic Grab. I'm assuming this will be available soon if it's not already available inside your account. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any thoughts on Canva's Magic Grab, go ahead and leave them in the comment section below.